To really talk about environment, tell me about what you really want to do with the environment.
Well, I really want to help the environment. I want to make it more bigger
Mhm.
because I don't really like how much pollution. It's hurting the animals and plants that live around, and many of people don't mind about that. And they don't because they don't understand how animals and plants help us.
Okay, how do they help
So
us?
because animals some people hunt animals,
Mm-hmm.
and that helps us get food.
Okay.
And plants, like a tree,
Mm-hmm.
they help us breathe in oxygen, and they take out the carbon oxide,
Mm-hmm.
and it's it's a good thing. And people chop down trees, and
Mm-hmm.
that's not good. And plus, and paper is made out of leaves.
Trees, right?
Yeah, leaf
Mm-hmm.
trees. And when you waste paper, you're wasting trees.
Okay, because
So
we'll
that,
cut down more trees.
hmm
Okay.
and so you need to recycle more.
Mm-hmm.
And actually you need to recycle less and more. Recycle less for one day and recycle more for the other day.
Why should you do that?
Because lots of recycling is getting dumped into the oceans too.
Oh, okay.
So and also
So where should we take the recycle? Well, I mean the trash and recycle. Where do we?
you should find somewhere that accepts recycling. Like recycling melts in the sun very slowly. So try not to use recycling. Try not to use trash so much. Try to use less garbage.
Okay, we don't use garbage. Okay,
No, I mean like when you use something like and there's like a plastic thingy
Okay.
or like trash like a banana peel.
Mm-hmm.
Try
So
to make use of it.
okay, so like plastic, we take them to recycle, and they can make other things. They can recycle into something else.
Yeah, and also you can make some other crafts.
Okay,
Arts and crafts, actually you can.
right. So what are the three R's?
Reuse, reduce, recycle.
Reduce, reuse,
Reuse,
recycle.
recycle.
So we reduce trash. We can reuse
Trash.
things that we can use, right? Like
Mhm.
if you have a plastic cup
Yeah, plastic
or a
cup.
container, you can use it to keep your
Thing.
like salt.
And also you can make some fun crafts.
Okay. Tell me about light.
Light pollution hurts the hurts like more
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Tell me.
hurts the things that live like it hurts the stars, you can say, but it really hurts the animals because they really some and the nocturnal animals they need less light to see,
Okay.
like owls, aardvarks, of course, moles. They all are nocturnal. Skunks.
Mm-hmm. Skunks.
Yeah, are nocturnal. So and more. So all of the nocturnal animals are getting hurt by lots of lights. Like in the city, it's mostly happening in the city because that's where most buildings are, and they work at night too. So maybe some people can work at in the morning. Maybe you can work in the morning, and just stop working at night so you can turn off all the lights and everything.
Mm-hmm.
And plus, you need rest.
Mm-hmm.
And noise pollution goes with it.
Noise pollution goes with it. How?
Because when there's lights, like the stop, like like in traffic, people are honking their horns. It gets to the animals' ears. Lots of too much loud noise. Loud noise hurts animals' ears. So we should really stop all of those pollution.
How about I heard that China is making an artificial sun so that they can put it in the sky so that they have light the whole day, the whole night. What do you think? How will it affect people and animals?
It will make people think it's daytime and it is not good for you. You need to rest.
You need to rest.
And it's bad for the for the animals because it's the same reason they need to rest.
Okay.
It's bad for the daytime animals and the nighttime animals. They don't get to get food and they have to keep sleeping.
Yeah. Okay. Tell me something about, you know, why is it bad for people to dump trash in the rivers and
It's hurting the ocean animals. If you look at Daddy, there's if you look at an app called Ocean Hero, there's an ad. You'll see lots of pictures of animals trapped, like whales. Plus, whales get hurt too, and by next year, scientists think by next year there's gonna be more trash in the oceans than animals, and we get water from the oceans. So
and food from animals, right? We eat fish
fish.
and all, right?
Yeah, so we need to squid too.
What?
Squid.
Squid?
Yeah.
What is that?
You don't know what an octopus is?
Oh, octopus. Okay.
Squid and octopus.
Okay.
Giant squid.
Okay.
Octopus is a squid.
I can't eat such things. You eat them? You eat
No,
octopuses?
No, I don't.
Lobsters?
Daddy, what?
Okay. So what should we do? What is the solution about environment?
We should reduce all of those things.
And what else?
I have no idea. I
How
just
about
wanted
trees?
to.
How about do we just plant trees? Or?
Yeah, we should need to plant more forests, trees, and we need to find somewhere where there's less pollution. There's no buildings and plant things there, so more animals can live there.
What is your dream?
To be a president,
Why do you want to become the president?
so I can help
Is it a president of Kenya or
America.
Okay.
Because America has, okay, I don't know. I think I want to be Kenya or America because they both have lots of pollution.
Okay. So you want to become president so that you can solve the problem of some pollution?
Yes, I want to stop pollution. I want to make a better place. And also, I love it how, scientists are already getting started with that. They're starting with solar panels.
Solar panels?
Yes, that would be amazing. If we had solar panels in this house, I would be so happy.
How does solar panel help the environment?
Because since basically the sun is like a huge fireball of energy.
Okay.
You can collect energy from the sun.
Okay.
The solar panels soak in the energy and it makes light.
Okay. Instead of what?
Instead of like electronics light, because I remember when we were leaving somewhere with Mama Hana, I saw a huge factory with like and I saw like pollution coming out, like black air, and I'm like,
Okay.
and
But-
that's when this.
Okay. So I think you need to do some research about sources of energy that are there that hurt our environment.
That was carbon oxide. How can that?
Okay,
not
that was
be?
carbon dioxide coming out. Going to
Yes,
air.
I know how it looks like. I just know
Okay, but then
because
but,
because it comes out of cars.
but I want to give you some work. you do research about types of energy production. Like we have solar, we have wind, and we have others that I want you to go and find out, and how those ones affect the environment. Okay, right? Uh, that's a good interview. I want to end here so that we can come back to it. But like I saw somewhere when I was in Kenya recently, the people had cut down so many trees,
What?
and even along the rivers, there were no trees along the river. They were cultivating, they were farming up to the riverbank. So what would you tell them? Look at the camera and tell them something.
I plant more trees, help the environment. Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Great. The end.